Okay, I'm back. Thank you guys for keeping up with my bathroom remodel. I'll be out in the yard in a second. What we got here now, I am trying to run the water line for the faucet, and the issue that I'm coming up with is with the red one, which is the hot water. That pipe doesn't look like it's completely round. Kind of got a lot of bends and turns in it. So my issue is I want to use these shark bite fittings on it, and I don't know how well they will hold up against the non-perfect round pipe. So I sure hate to cut this and then have to come back and have to do something else like solder. I'm going to try the compression fittings with the shark bite first and see if it holds. As you can see, I have the original the cold water line already ran and over there chilling. And you see those little valves that I have on there. That's because I couldn't find any caps. I couldn't find any end caps like this that I could screw on the end of the 1/2 inch fitting that was there, but I had those available. So basically those are just caps that I'm using to enable to keep the rest of the water on in the rest of the house. So this is what I'm using to cut this with, and Lord, I'm just hoping that it's enough to, it has enough to bite that and get a hold of that and be leak free. Like I said, I'm going to try it first and then make sure I got a real good seal there. And if I have that, then I'm good to go. If not, then I'm have to go and get the soldering and do some soldering. I think that's the only way to go after that point. Okay, I'm about to test the water, and I've decided not to use the shark bite. Okay, I'm back at it, and I decided to make some quick changes here. So I'm going to weld all of this instead of using the PEX piping. I just think the weld is probably going to uphold better, and then I can actually build the line better. And then I'm going to take this and cover it in concrete. Since I have the ability to solder, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take this out and then build up some lines and make some soldering joints. So you see, pretty easy. And just like that, I'm done. So I'm going to do a little cleaning of these joints here, and I'm on to the next phase, getting ready to take them to the supply lines and weld them on. Thank you, Jesus. Finally got that done. It was a fiasco trying to get down there. The problem was this is soft copper, and I couldn't find it a perfectly square part to weld on. So I end up having to, come out, put some PEX fittings on there, which I'm very comfortable with, as much as I am with the copper. And it is in there. So now all I have to do is get this hole filled up partially with dirt and start mixing cement, and I got this part of the deal done, and that is exciting. So let me clean up my mess and get ready for this concrete. Okay, I just got scalded by the wife by not having no mask on and not having the vent going. Anyway, this is where we are. I've got the sand filled up to an acceptable level for me. I just need to dust all this off, probably sprinkle some water, and then I'm going to lay some concrete. Prior to laying this concrete, I'm gonna put this bonding agent out, and it's going to help the concrete adhere, the new concrete adhere to the existing concrete. So all this right here I have completed and ready for the next step. And I got a lot of things going on here. I would like for you guys to follow this because, you know, the plans are going to be, you know, outstanding for what I have going on. It's going to be a smart bathroom. The shower is going to be on a smart system. Everything electrical on a smart system, controlling everything with either Google or Alexa. I custom built the vanities myself. I did that last year, a year and a half ago. I did all that. So it's going to be a major renovation, and the goal is DIY. I almost had to call a plumber because I couldn't reach the pipe. I was down at the end. The pipe was just really bad. So I ended up just going PEX for my connection down there. So anyway, I'm not gonna keep holding you guys. Stay tuned to my videos, like the channel, like the page. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.